guys, we're on the road again today. It's been a few days, but we got the cameras charged up, got back from the mountain. We're out and about again in the old Cherokee, headed up the Tokerville Falls Road. I got a call from a guy that got on the Tower Road and came off the steep section, so he's in a little bit of trouble, but we're going to get up there and see what we can do to help him out, and we'll take you along for the ride, but he's in a little bit of a mess. See what it does. Beautiful Wednesday evening. Me and Leon are going on an adventure like we always do when we are looking for an excuse to get out of work. But Southern Utah is putting on a show out there tonight, and we're headed up here to meet up with our buddy Chris Peterson from Die Hard Cowboy, and he's doing a photo shoot with Red Barn Boot Company. I hope I got that right, and if I didn't, oh well. But we got a load of mules on back, and we're gonna, I guess we're going to recreate a mule string and a little campfire scene for some photos and videos for their promotional stuff. I don't know if Leon's got anything to say.
Nope. Just happy to be here. It's always an adventure.
So, thanks for jumping in there with us, and we'll take you along for the ride. Well, good morning. We're up so early the camera doesn't even work in the dark. 5:20 in the morning. We slept like a bunch of babies.
Yes, we did.
I listened to him snore all night. He's out there on the grass on his cot, making all kinds of ruckus. It sounded like a grizzly bear.
We did hear a coyote catch and eat a jackrabbit last night too.
Yeah, it was kind of noisy for a minute here last night, but anyways, lights went out. There we are. So we're headed over to the chute. I guess we're gonna try to catch a sunrise. So we're gonna get over there, get packed up, get saddled, and see what we can do. Got the production crew over there, so they're shaking hands, looking like they're all important. But we're just gonna do our thing and stay out of the mix. Hey Mahana, what are you doing?
Bell put a wowzer on me.
Oh, is that what was going on in the trailer?
Go wow!
So we're making fun of everybody over here, me and Leon.
Their main actresses, Val and Rodney.
Yeah,
we woohooed Val and teased Rodney.
Rodney the stunt double.
You guys are doing the dangerous tricks.
He's
right
all
there.
dressed up. He asked if
That's not OSHA approved.
It's all right. He asked if I had a felt hat for wearing later on this cowboy movie shoot, and I told him guys like me wear cowboy hats. Smile, Val. Seems dangerous.
Seems dangerous.
Look at what we're.
Terrible looking morning.
I know. I can't believe that we have to get up and suffer through the misery of this.
Good, I'm gonna get some shots of them coming out. Powell Point right there.
Powell Point, where they surveyed southern Utah. This camera picks up way more light than I thought it would.
Lighter.
Chris better have one. That'd be embarrassing if he didn't.
I'd say.
We'd have to burn the truck down.
We don't have much wind today, do we?
Yeah.
Warm. Taking a breather.
Seriously.
Rodney.
Where'd you find that Rodney guy? Where'd you find that Rodney guy?
Oh, buddy.
Is that the Rodney? I don't think I've ever met him before.
Rodney Tykert. He's from Cokeville. Everybody thinks he's my brother.
All right, well, those guys are back there doing all the fancy footwork. Me and Leon have got to go give our mules a haircut, or do we?
He said he didn't care, but we better bring scissors with us just in case.
Okay, so the mules have a non-traditional haircut on their mane, so we may have to trim it. We're headed back over here to get them tacked up, get the pack saddles on them, and it's probably one of the few times that we don't have to worry about them staying on, because we're literally going 100 feet. But man, what a pretty place.
Be packed heavy, all of about 6 pounds.
Yeah, that's Manny's. Let's look off this edge real quick, Leon. Show these guys what we got going on here. This is why you wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning for a boot barn. We would do it for you, boot barn, but we wouldn't do it for anyone else. You know, it just keeps getting better out here.
Trying to decide whether to put something in the middle or just cover that and be done.
I don't even know if we need to cover that. Why can't we just leave it like that?
I don't know.
We don't even need a lash, do we? So me and Leon are having fun and goofing off, and the production crew, they're pretty stone-faced and serious about things. They have a big agenda today, and they're a long ways from home. The one guy told me he's from Montana, so we're out here just goofing off, having a good time.
So we got kicked out of camp.
Yeah, they told us to get out of there. What you doing here, Leon?
Well, since this mule rubbed half her mane off right here, we better figure we would cut the other half off.
And why don't you make it straight then?
Why don't I?
Because I've only got one good eye.
That's all I got.
Yeah. Go cut the mane off that horse over there.
Got bells in that horse's tail. Kelsey's about rubbed everything off her ears. Better leave that there.
Well, everybody, this is my office, in case you're wondering. Even when the wind's blowing, it's not bad. All right, well, good morning. We're literally taking you along for the ride today over here on the rim of Bryce Canyon National Park, doing a video commercial and the whole 9 yards for Boot Barn and Red Barn Boot Company, maybe what it's called. But what a beautiful morning it is in southern Utah. Got my old gated mule going on here. She not so bad.
Hey, don't be cussing the mules. You gotta talk nice to them. And tell that one you love her. She'll get mad.
It's like riding a motorcycle.
I'm not even joking.
They go where they want.
That's one of the bucks.
Oh, that's nice.
Don't be doing that.
Alright, Joe, whenever you're ready, we're going to come straight at me.
Now remember, that's not like a Ferrari. It's more like a Red Ryder wagon.
With 3 wheels.
Don't get too western.
No, she's all right.
Look at that side passing. You've got training right there. Gee, you're a mule rider extraordinary.
I just turned off right out of the western right there. Okay. Once you get the hang of that thing. I don't think there is a hang of this thing. This picture needs posted on his birthday. Yeah.
She'll move on your feet too a little bit. Why did you put the guy that's a mule hater on the mule?
That's what I do.
Poetic justice.
Look at that, he's a natural.
You found your calling.
She's not that bad.
Depends on your version of bad. Just gotta whisper some sweet nothings in your ear.
Oh, see?
Sweetheart.
That was a lot better than last time.
Oh, now you're getting the hang
How
of it.
smooth it just got.
I think you're getting a black mule when we're done here. You didn't know he shaved your mane on your horse, did you? Personally, I like the grass, but I know you guys don't like the grass.
We like this.
It's more like not green though.
Right. Yeah, that's why. A little bit of speed. Huh? Little speed.
So this is what you do in production, as you hurry up and wait. Man, what a beautiful display this morning. wildflowers in bloom. Pretty amazing. All right, we're going to the second segment of our shoot, and apparently it has to do with Boot Barn, but we can't be saying Boot Barn.
We're not for Boot Barn.
We're just here today.
We're just here.
We got in trouble already one time.
And there's some guy named Chris Peterson. Never heard of him.
Never heard of that Chris Peterson diehard cowboy guy.
They didn't know what you're talking about. Get out from under and slide right underneath the wagon. So then she has no ability to pick herself up. Her front legs are thrashing around through the spokes, through the step on the back. She's just hanging there. So Sam and I run over there and cut the halter to get it off of her. So it flops her down. Then we had to roll the wagon forward because she was all underneath it. And she's just laying there panting and panting because she was probably a full minute holding her breath while she's panicking. Anyway, she's just laying there on her side, breathing and breathing. Then she lets out this big old long whinny. Then she whinnies again, whinnies again. Like, it just reminded me of a kid crying, is what it was. So funny.
Like Geronimo.
Just laying there on her side.
These guys are...
Oh, yeah?
All right, well, we got her done. It was a 13-hour day, and we're headed for the barn, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Finally headed home.
We're gonna...
It's been an absolutely beautiful day up here at Bryce Canyon where we have been, and on the rim, and watch the sun come up, and hopefully we get home before the sun goes down.
We should have stopped right there.
Yeah.
Can't get down there though, can we? We're gonna stop and find a place to water these mules, but other than that, we got about 2.5-hour drive home. It's a good day out here with Red Barn Boot Company.
Who?
Red Barn Boot Company and
Chris Peterson Productions.
Chris Peterson diehard cowboy. So we'll catch you on the next one.